Hi everyone, this is Tracy with Paper Closet Designs and the Idea Closet, and today I just wanted to show you how to make this fold flat card. Now this is a card that is available in my Etsy shop, or you can purchase it at my Scrap Chick. And this is such a fun card. So it comes like this, and it fits in a regular envelope, and then when the person that receives it opens it up, they can open the card and display it. It's hard to show you this way, but it'll sit on your desk or a shelf or whatever, and they can enjoy it all week, month, however long they choose to display it. And then it just folds back up again and fits into that envelope. It also has a place on the back so that you can handwrite a little message. You could stamp something or whatever you want to do. So this is the snowman card, and I am going to show you how to put it together using the penguin card. So let's go ahead and get started. So the file comes complete with everything that you need. Here's all the pieces. This is our penguin. It's a layered penguin, and I've got him all put together, all glued together. Then we have this panel that goes on the front piece, and I'll show you that in just a second. Then you have the heart on the snowman. It's this piece right up here with the snowflakes, but for the penguin it's heart, so you can use this for winter or Valentine's. And then another panel. This is a layered panel that goes on the front of the card. It's already glued together. And then this is the layered panel that goes on the back that you're going to sign your message. And then here is your card base. So let me show you how to do this. When you get your card base, you're going to score it right here and bend it. Score it right here and bend it, and score right here and bend it. And then we're going to put glue right here and fold it up flat. So let me go ahead and show you that. I'm going to do it with my tape runner. When I'm doing card construction like this, I usually prefer glue, but for the video we're going to do a tape runner. And I'm just going to run the tape right along there, and then I'm going to fold it up on not this first score line, but on this second score line. Fold it up, pull that in the middle so you can see it, and then just press it down. And there is the base of your card, and then when it folds up, that's how it stands up, is with that. To give it a little bit of weight and to make sure that you have a place to write, we have the back panels, and there's two layers. There's two layers. You can use one or both, write on it however you want. I love the back side of this paper as much as I do the front. It's so fun. Unfortunately, this is an old print that is no longer available, but I had it in my stash. So I'm just going to tape that and glue it onto the back, and I'm going to do it right above that perforation line on the back. Okay, we're going to flip it over, and this is the front of our card, and it is going to go right here. So I'm going to tape it. And put it there. And then this piece goes on, so when you open up your card, it's the front right there. So it's going to go right here. I'm going to go ahead and tape that. Okay, so there is the card base. Now I want to assemble the piece with the penguin on it. So it comes with this panel that you can use, or you don't have to. We're just going to glue it on. And when you open this up, there's a score line right here with your tab, and then there's another score line with his little head that pokes out. So you'll want to score on those. Then you're going to take your little penguin that's all layered. And on this one, I would normally use glue and put glue on his little hair pieces. And then you're just going to line him up. Line up those little hair pieces. line up his little arms. His feet should come down pretty close to the bottom. I didn't use glue, so my hair pieces are not gonna match up just perfectly. But then there is that piece. Can you see that? Okay, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this, take this card and fold it down flat, and we're gonna glue our little penguin. Well, we're gonna take this side and fold it down and glue it so the top is right up there, and then glue him to the bottom. Does that make sense? So we're going to take our little penguin. First, take this card, fold it up like that. Take our little insert piece, and you're going to run tape right along the bottom and then along this tab right here. Fold it down where the little cutout is. Then we're going to put him right close to the bottom there. It doesn't have to be right on the bottom, but you want to make sure that his hair doesn't extend past there, because when you fold it, this is what your card is going to look like. And we're just going to glue him on there. I don't think I got him on there quite straight, but when you're doing yours, you'll know how to do it. And then you can open it up and put this right in there, and you can pop that up with foam pop dots if you want to, which is what I usually do. For the video, I'm just gonna put some little more glue on there, or tape runner. Place it right there, and then there is my little penguin card. So he folds down flat, fits in an envelope, and then you can open it up and display him on your desk or however you want. Thank you for joining me today. To get this file, visit me at Paper Closet Designs or find me on my Scrap Chick. Thank you. Have a great day.